Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can post your own pins on Pinterest. So I'm just going to select the create button here, and you can either choose a file or drag and drop it here. I'm just going to drag and drop it here, and I'm going to type in Phasmophobia Easter event. You can add in a description, add in a link, and you can also choose a board to put it in. You can also search for a tag. I don't think you can do that in games. Horror games. That's not there, but you can do that. You can also tag products. There's more options here, etc., etc. Then when you're done, you're just going to select publish. That is it. Super simple. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!